just letting it soak. I use this carbon choke cleaner. Okay, with my 97 Mazda Protege, the P1195 code popped up again, and this is the second time, so it's not the first time it happened. I did it once before, and I already took the air intake box all off. The hole connects to here. I took all that off, and it's right there, right here, right here. I disconnected that, I unscrewed it, took it out, and I cleaned it up, cleaned up the gasket. I already did that. There's videos on that one if you want to get a look at what's going on, how I took it off. I'm gonna take it off now just to get you a whole look to see what I've done to it. But yeah, this is the problem with the Mazda's Protege, whatever you have that has the 4-cylinder, 1.5 liter, and it's right here. That's what you gotta clean. And also I cleaned right in there also, right there, because when I had this disconnected, that was off. I sprayed in there, and it came out through here, and I sprayed in here, and it came up through here, and a lot of gunk came out. So yeah. So I'm glad I did that. I cleaned all that in there, cleaned here, and that's the problem. And we'll see. I have the engine light on, and I already checked it, and that's what it was, the P1195 code. Cleaned it up real well, let it soak in there for a while. And this is the part. This is it, the EGR valve. Cleaned up all in there, sprayed in there, let it soak, and there's the gasket. It's a metal gasket, so I don't really have to buy a new one. I don't really use it. I just clean it up. So this will still work. And here are the 2 screws for it. And to put it back, I have to put the gasket in 2 screws and then put it in. And that's how it is. That's how I put it back. And then tighten one and tighten the other. Now I notice I've done it before because I still have the anti-seize on these threads. There's still anti-seize on them. That's how come I know I've done it before. So it'd be easier to take out and put it back in if I have to do it again. So this is how I put it back in, plug it up, and do the rest, as you can see. So once I put all that back together, I'll start the car and find out if that engine light will turn off. As you can see how I'm tightening it, that just gives me just enough leverage so that way I can screw that in there tight. Already got it in there tight. Now just put this on, connect this part, put it back. There, it's all cleaned up. That's the front of it, and that's the back of it. If yours don't look like that, then you gotta clean it. If it's all black, yeah, you have to clean it. And that's how it looks, all cleaned up. They all hooked up. And here, all plugged in. And let's see what happens. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see. We're gonna start this 23-year-old car. All right, there you go. Oh wow, yep, it did it. It started off a little rough, I think because of all the carbon that I sprayed and all that to get it up. Maybe it just cleaned it all up, but yeah, now it's done, and there's no engine light no more, just the door light. And if I close it, there you go. 23-year-old automobile with 148,000 miles, 148,683 miles. Wow. This is my wife's car, and as you see my videos, I've been working on my car, which is Lincoln, and it's right over there. As you can see, there she is. I haven't taken her out yet, but she's ready. I just haven't had time because of this happened here. I had a cold, the engine light came on, and now I fixed it. And yeah, it's the EGR, and this is the second time I'm doing it too. Yeah, it happens, but it's just something you have to do just to keep it clean and keep your cars going. So that's it. I hope this video helps you out. If you have that problem also, yeah, I gotta put some gas in this baby. All right, thanks a lot.